Today we're going to revisit percent increase and percent decrease. To review, percent increase is the relative amount of increase in the value, where percent decrease is the relative amount of decrease in the value. Remember, to calculate percent increase or decrease, we're going to have to take the amount of change divided by the original amount and multiply that value times 100. We'll see example 1. Joseph purchased a kayak on sale for $315.25 before tax. The regular price was $485 before tax. What percent represents the discount on the kayak? Remember, discount is cutting the price down, so this is percent decrease. So first we need to find the amount of change. In order to find that, we have to take the original amount and subtract the new amount. So we take 485 minus the $315.25. Then we need to divide it by the original amount, which was $485, and then multiply it times 100. Doing the math, we see that 485 minus $315.25 is equal to $169.75. That is the amount of discount that we had. It's the amount of change. We're going to divide that by $485 and then multiply by 100 to get the percent. Well, if you do the math, $169.75 divided by $485 is 35 hundredths. We multiply that by 100, we get 35%. So Joseph purchased his kayak with 35% off. That's a pretty good deal. Let's look at example 2. At Highland Park Middle School, 85% of the students ride the bus to school. If 320 students attend HPMS, how many students ride the bus? So this gives us a percent, and we need to use the percent to solve the problem. So we know 85% means 85 out of 100. And this should look like a proportion problem. Then we know 85 is the amount of students that ride the bus, and 100 would be the 100%. It's all the students at Highland Park Middle School. So if we know that 320 students attend Highland Park, that is the entire student body at Highland Park Middle School, so it will go in the denominator. Got these backwards. Okay, then we need to cross multiply. So first we're going to take 85 times 320 to get 27,200. And we multiply 100 times s to get 100s. Now, of course, to solve this proportion, this is 100 times s, so we're going to have to divide both sides by 100. So we take 27,200 divided by 100 to get 272. So there are 272 students that ride the bus at Highland Park Middle School. Let's check for reasonableness. 85% is not quite all of it, but it's more than 3/4. 3/4 of this would be 240, so we know this is reasonable. So there are 272 students riding the bus at Highland Park.